You've got to find time to work, rest and play. I'm Garth Delican, the lifestyle guy, and for 25 years I've been helping people just like you make significant lifestyle and career changes, not just physically, but also mentally, emotionally and also spiritually. And it can all be done in as little as 20 minutes a day if you follow the guidelines in my online academy, the Garth Delican Academy. Now, how hard do you work? If like most people you work really hard. How hard do you work? How hard do you play? How hard do you rest? I bet like most people, not at all. You've come home from work or you finish a day's work, you sit down in front of the TV, and for you, that is relaxing. Now if that works for you, fine. However, just watching TV doesn't switch that mind off. You know, you can't drive at 100 miles an hour in your car non-stop without actually having a break, because you're going to run out of petrol, you're going to run out of gas. And the same thing happens in your life. If you've got your brake, if you've got your, sorry, not your foot, not your brake, if you've got your foot on the accelerator of life constantly and you're pushing work, you're pushing harder, you're actually using up more and more gas. And before you know it, your emotional tank is empty, your physical tank is empty, your spiritual tank is empty, and there's nowhere else to go. You start to spiral downwards, and all of a sudden you start to feel depressed, you start to feel low. And when you feel depressed and low, you start to feel anxious. And those three things release adrenaline in your body. Adrenaline makes you feel anxious, then it releases cortisol, and before you know it, you're not eating properly, you're not sleeping properly, you're not exercising properly. So work, rest and play. The emphasis being on rest and play. Got to take your foot off the gas pedal from time to time. If you'd like to find more, you'd like direction, drop me a message. Come and join my free Facebook group, Fearless Career and Lifestyle Shifters, or come and join my online academy, the GarthDelicanAcademy.com. There's a link in the box below.